Hi, I'm Mr. Crayson, and I teach global issues at Stagg High School. The assignments that we've been working on during this e-learning period are all online on Canvas. And if you're not familiar with Canvas, this is what it looks like. So to access Canvas, District 230 made it really streamlined and easy for students. If they just open up a new tab in their Chromebook, it'll say D230 Resources at the top left, and instead of Staff Tools, it'll say Student Tools. So they click on Student Tools, and this icon right here, it says Canvas. That is where all the classwork is for global issues lately. And they may have their username and password saved already, and if not, you could always just ask, and they'll be able to get you in for that. But Global Issues Semester 2, 2020 is the current class for global issues. Okay, so this is what I see as a teacher. I could set it to student view, and here we go. So student view, this is what you'll see when you log in. So at the top, there's grading policy. So this is with COVID-19, what we're doing as far as the grading policy goes for the rest of this semester. And underneath that, we have all the units. So the most recent unit we're in is Unit 7, Conflict and Cooperation. But previous units, Unit 6, Unit 5, they're all on here as well. So the assignments are all organized by date. And that's really helpful because if you're looking to see in Skyward, our grade management program, if you're looking in Skyward and you might see a missing assignment, you can go on to Canvas, look for the date of that assignment. Let's say it says April 15th, there was an assignment and it's missing. If you go to April 15th here on Canvas, you could see the assignment was Conflicts Around the World, Israel, Palestine. So, if you click on these assignments, it opens up and it gives you the instructions of what the student was to do. So for April 20th, Conflicts Around the World, South China Sea and Iran. Click on it. It tells you the due date. It gives you the directions, the purpose, and what to click on. So you click on the link here. It says make a copy of the documents, and students make a copy. They for this particular assignment, you're just watching a short little video, usually about 5 minutes, and reading a short little article, and then answering the questions who, what, where, when, about this particular conflict, like who's the conflict involving, what's happening, when did it happen, where's it at, and this column to the right here asks them to answer the question, why is the conflict happening? And to answer it properly, you're going to write a claim, like this is why I believe it's happening, and then you're going to cite some evidence from either the video or the article and explain how that evidence backs up your claim. So this is an example of some of the assignments we've been doing. All of the assignments are listed by date, and if you have any questions, you could always email or give me a call. Email is probably the quickest way to get back to me. I usually get back within a half hour or hour. I hope this is helpful, and please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you so much.